How to do affiliate marketing on YouTube. If you're ready to learn how to do affiliate marketing using a simple YouTube channel, no website required, then stay tuned. Welcome to my channel. I am Naila, and on this channel you'll learn how to grow an online business and earn passive income from home with affiliate marketing. If you're down for that, then be sure to subscribe and hit the bell notification button so you can get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, we're talking about how to do affiliate marketing with your YouTube channel. So affiliate marketing is a business model that allows you to earn a commission by promoting other people's products. Big names such as Amazon, Walmart, Best Buy all have affiliate programs where you can earn a commission by promoting their products. There are some other great affiliate programs out there that I'm going to tell you about where you can promote digital products such as online courses. So with affiliate marketing, you'll find a product that is within your niche that you like and promote it to others. And then when one of your referrals clicks on your link and makes a purchase, you'll earn a piece of the profit. If you're looking for a way to supplement your income from home or replace your existing income so you can leave your job and stay home with your children, or just take back control of your time and have more overall freedom, affiliate marketing is a great vehicle for that. Now, in order to do affiliate marketing, you're going to need a product to promote. So I'm going to take you over to my computer where I'm going to show you where you can find the best affiliate products. Okay, so here we are at clickbank.com, and this is a great affiliate network where you can find all sorts of different digital products and other products that you can promote to your audience. And you can sign up for ClickBank for free, and you'll just come over to their marketplace by clicking this button up here, and it will bring you to this page. So you'll look over here to the left and you'll find all different categories that you can find products to promote to your audience. So whatever niche that you're in, you'll be able to find a product to promote over here on ClickBank. So if you're in the health and wellness niche, you can find products here. If you're in this personal development niche, you can find different products as well. They have parenting, home and garden, business, okay? Also, when you click on the arrow, it will bring even more categories, so you'll find different sub niches as well, so you can get even more targeted with your offer. All right, so let's go ahead and click on health and fitness. So let's say that you're in the health and fitness niche. You can find products in beauty, all right, exercise and fitness, men's health. Okay, so if you're targeting men, okay, you can find products here. Spiritual health, women's health, yoga. You can break it down even further and get even more targeted with your offer. So you'll definitely need to know who your target audience is. And if you haven't identified who your target audience is, you can check the cards up above and find the video where I did how to identify your ideal client. All right, so that is ClickBank. Next, I'm going to take you over to another affiliate program called JVZoo. All right, JVZoo is a great place for digital marketers to find and affiliate marketers to find digital products to promote. All right, so JVZoo is also free to join and sign up, and you can start your own affiliate marketing business right here with JVZoo. So here are some of their top sellers. You can find products to promote in different niches here as well. They have e-commerce, business, health and fitness, self-improvement, and software products. You'll just click on the one that is within your niche. All right, and come and find a product here on JVZoo. The next place I want to show you is a place where you can find some physical products that you can promote. All right, so you don't have to just promote digital products. You can also promote physical products and not even have to touch the products themselves. Okay, so you can come over here to Amazon. Amazon has a great affiliate program and it is free to join as well. So you'll just scroll down to the bottom of the page, find this second column here and click on Become an Affiliate. And it will take you to the Amazon Associates website. And here you see join now for free, and you can pick from a wide range of Amazon's products. Okay, so you can promote electronics, you can promote clothes, you can promote baby items. There's all different sorts of things, books. Okay, you can promote them all here on Amazon. Okay, so here is how you join and get started. You'll just join for free. And then you can choose from over 1 million of their products and to advertise to your network or to your audience. And then you can earn up to 10% commissions. It says you can earn advertising fees from qualifying purchases, not just the products you advertise. So say for example you were advertising a certain product and someone chose to click on your link, and let's say they thought about purchasing that product but they didn't buy it, but they decided to buy another product. You will still earn a commission off of those other products that they decided to purchase. Okay, so that's really cool and a great way to maximize your earnings with Amazon. Okay, all right, so the next place I want to show you here is eBay. Okay, eBay also has a great affiliate program. So what you do is you just go to ebay.com, you'll scroll to the bottom and look for this second column here and click on affiliates. And then it will take you to their affiliate site and you can sign up for free and find something that you want to promote to your audience that is within your niche. You can choose from 1.1 billion of their listings and start to share it. When someone decides to click and purchase from one of your links, then you will earn a commission and get paid. All right, so that is 4 different affiliate programs where you can go to find some amazing affiliate products to promote to your audience. And we're back. All right, so now you know how to find affiliate products. Here is how you can promote those products on YouTube. Okay, so number 1 is with product reviews. Okay, there's 2 ways that you can do a product review. One of them is you can do a single product review, which means you give your honest review, your honest opinion on a product. You tell all the benefits, all the features, and you give the pros and cons and tell the audience everything that they need to know about this product. Okay, the second thing that you can do is a comparison review, which means you compare 2 different products and you give all its benefits, all the features, all the pros and cons of each of them, and you compare them and you tell the audience which one you think is best. All right, and here's a fun fact. Studies show that 62% of consumers watch review videos before actually completing a purchase. So this is a great way that you can promote your affiliate products. And the second way that you can promote your affiliate products on YouTube is to do how-to videos. So people come to YouTube for many different reasons. One of them is to learn how to do things. So you can create how-to videos showing people how to use the different affiliate products that you promote. The key thing to do here when doing YouTube videos is to keep the mindset of provide value first, ask for the sale later. Meaning you give them a ton of value, give them a ton of valuable information throughout your video, and then at the end of the video, you give them a call to action. And you ask them if they like to learn more or if they like to check out the product, then they can check out the link in your description box. Then be sure that you include your affiliate link within your video's description. It's also a great idea to include a disclaimer such as this one. Not only is this something that you're legally supposed to do, but you'll be building trust with your audience by being upfront and honest with them. So how do you get traffic to your YouTube videos? One way is with organic search on Google, okay? So YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world, and it's owned by Google, which is the largest search engine in the world. So when people go to Google and they're looking for specific keywords because they're trying to find answers and solutions to their problems, then when they search for specific keywords such as how to do affiliate marketing on YouTube, then high-ranking YouTube videos on that topic will pop up in the Google search. I like to use a free Google Chrome extension called Keywords Everywhere to find good targeted keywords for my niche. It is really important for you to do your keyword research. You don't want to be randomly creating content because you won't get any traffic, okay? If a keyword is not getting any traffic or if it has too much competition, then it will be hard for you to get your video ranked. The second way that you can get traffic to your videos is with subscribers, all right? So you can get good quality traffic from your existing subscribers. Every time you release a new video, each of those subscribers can see in their subscription bar that there is a new video available from you. In addition, YouTube will also recommend videos similar to ones that a viewer regularly watches to them on their homepage. And the third way that you can get traffic to your videos is with organic search on YouTube. As I mentioned earlier, YouTube is the second largest search engine in the world. It's not just a social media platform, it is a search engine. So when people come to YouTube and use the search bar to find an answer to a particular problem, your content can be getting found. You want to focus on optimizing your video so that it can rank on the first page because no one goes beyond page 1 when they're searching for something on YouTube. What I like to do is I like to use a tool called TubeBuddy, which allows me to find good keywords to target based on how well they rank on YouTube. If you're looking to dive deeper and you want to learn how to start an online business and earn passive income from home, you can grab my ultimate work from home mom checklist. I give you 7 steps to earning passive income from home. If you have been struggling to build a business online, or if you're new to this and you want to start off on the right foot so you can get into profits fast and stay out of overwhelm and confusion, then this is the checklist for you. You can download it for free in the description box below. Also, if you're looking to get started with affiliate marketing, you can check out my most recommended affiliate program in the description box as well. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your peeps. For weekly content to help you grow your online business and earn passive income from home, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification button so you can get notified when I upload a new video. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to wake up, boss up, and live your best life now. I'll talk to you soon. Peace and love.